there goes Black Beauty in the trailer. Alright, the happy satellite nerd here. Okay, I'd like to talk to you about the advantages to having a free-to-air KU band system in the case of an emergency. Now, we've just had a big rainstorm here, and what can happen during a rainstorm is your power can get knocked out, your cable or your phone can be knocked out, and you'd be without internet. So it's good to have a backup, such as a free-to-air system or an over-the-air system, so you can still get your get information. Because sometimes, like for example, with your internet, I've known people that have been their internet line went down, and they were down for over a month, so they had nothing for a month. So to invest in one of these for a backup, so that you can have that in case if you need it, if there's no TV or internet, because if you're watching TV through that, this is a nice backup to have. If you live in an area, you can get some news channels, CNC and RT. You can get lots of radio channels on these things. There's several radio channels. If you aim it at 97 West, you can watch news feeds. There's with this satellite here, I have it aimed at 87 West, so I get up to date news with the news feeds that are from the satellite trucks. So there's lots of good uses to invest in one of these for a backup. So things that you'd like to keep in mind to have if you were to have a your communications down with a backup is also to invest into a scanner. A scanner will help you. A scanner will be able to give you the police and fire. You might not be able to get your police, but you definitely get your fire department. I find fire departments more interesting to listen to if it's still analog, and also ambulance still analog, at least in this area. So it's good to invest in a scanner just to keep up with that. You can, get reports from bus companies, and also a big thing on that is, even though you might not be an amateur radio operator, you can listen into your local amateur radio repeaters, where you can find the frequencies for that, and just by Googling your area for local amateur radio repeaters. And usually that is where you'll hear people talk if there's like an event where, say, a weather event or something, a weather event or alien invasion. I don't know. If you need that backup communication, definitely another good thing to invest in. Have a radio with batteries in it. It's another good thing to have around your house. It's always good to have a backup radio, and sometimes I have a crank radio, which is a good thing to have if you're out of power.